Hello friends and potential friends. Well, I noticed something this morning on my little walk around the garden. Has me just a little bit concerned. You see, some of these sweet potato seeds are starting to break open. And that means they're going to be dropping seeds all over the place. So I need to get in here and harvest as many of these seeds as I can find before they all get scattered all over the place. And I grow sweet potatoes everywhere in the garden. So let me get you propped up on a tripod and I'll get busy. Yeah, I'm going to use some real sophisticated equipment here. A yogurt cup and a pair of scissors. And as you can see in there, I think they are popping out all over the place. Hope I'm not too late. And it's not going to be easy to get in here and get these either. The ones here around the corner are not too bad, because they're all out in the open. But there are seeds back in there that are not going to be easy to get to. And some of those are opening up too from the looks of things. Luckily, most of the first seeds started forming here in this corner. I guess because this is the first place that the sun hits in the morning. And incidentally, it's beating on my back pretty good too. About 11 in the morning, and it's already approaching 84 or 85 degrees. Humidity is ridiculous, and I'm already dripping. But I need to get as many of these seeds as possible before they hit the ground. Well, that's a good start. Let's see where the rest of them are hiding. Not real easy to spot them in here with all these vines. I have no idea how I'm going to get to the ones that are on the inside of the bed. But I'm starting to get a good selection of them down there. Let me go ahead and see how many I can gather up, and then I'll take you inside and we'll clean them up a little bit and show you what I got. Well, not a bad selection. Some of those are not completely dried out, but that's okay. Some of them are already splitting open. I think I mentioned once before that most of the seeds showed up down here at this corner first because this is where the sun hits them first. And around on the other sides and up here on the top, as you can see, they're just starting to form the seeds up here. So I've got them in all stages right now. And down at this end, I don't know whether you can make that out very well, but this is a 3-foot walkway. And my homestead tomatoes have connected up with the sweet potatoes. So I don't get to walk through there anymore. And there's probably some seeds down under there that I can't get to also. So it looks like I'm going to have sweet potato seeds getting scattered. But right now, I'm going to walk around one more time, a little bit of a close inspection, see if I can find just a few more, and then we'll head inside. Now, this is the tedious part. I separated out some of them. Basically, I got to avoid the cat. Just take a seed pod and squeeze it and pop open, and you get anywhere from 2 to 4 seeds out of it. Mamba, what are you doing? You want to help me separate seeds? In case you can't see, there's a cat right here. See, here's his tail. He has to help. But you look for seeds where the stem is, or pods, where the stem is completely dried out, kind of like this one, as opposed to those that are still a little bit green. Now this one, the pod and the stem are both green, and that one's probably not going to be viable seeds. So we'll just throw that one off to the side. But then it's just a matter of squeezing them out. Work them between your fingers until the seeds pop out. Shove the seeds off to the side. Trying to avoid the cat at all costs. Because he wants to play with the seeds. I know what's going on there. But this is it. Just got 4 of them out of that one. So let me go on through these and get all the boring stuff done. And then we'll see what we have. Well, there we are. That's not a bad selection of seeds. Now I'm going to take these in the kitchen and get them vacuum packed, because I'm not going to be planting these until next year. Well, later in this year, probably, September, October, somewhere in there. But that's going to be my sweet potato crop for next year, if all goes well with the current ones. And so I'm going to pack these up, and I'll see you next time.